In this video, we're going to start to look at the various forms of erosion available in the Terrain Toolkit. Now, I'll be dead honest with you, as we get deeper into some of the more advanced forms of erosion, the various settings and sliders get really technical.
Right. We don't have degrees in geology, so we're not even really going to try to explain
what
everything does.
I decided early on that when the best I could do is just reiterate what was in the help file, that it would be better off for me to just kind of generally show you what happens when you use the tool and move on from there. So we'll start off here with thermal erosion, which is really, it's simulating the effect of excessive heat on a landform. And the idea is that it's going to take material off of a highly sloped surface and deposit it down at the bottom of the slope. Now, a really cool way to show this off, and it's actually one of the ways we'll be showing off most of our erosion, is to create a really tall plateau. Kind of like Devil's Tower. So there's that. Now, here we are inside of the erode mode, looking at thermal erosion. We do have some presets. So we have gradual weak erosion, which is no fun, and we have fast harsh erosion. We also have the thermal erosion brush, but I'm going to talk about using brushes in a separate video because they do have some of their own considerations. For now, though, let's just set this to fast harsh erosion, and we'll click Apply Thermal Erosion. You'll notice there is a little bit of a calculation time. These erosion calculations can get pretty intense, and so if you have a very high resolution terrain, please understand this is going to take a while to calculate. But let me apply this a few times, actually. You'll see what's happening is it's wearing away the terrain up here at the top of this very steep slope, and you'll notice if you watch the bottom, it's starting to widen out down there. So all of that material is kind of sliding down the faces of the rock. It's leaving some nice crevices and cracks all the way up, and incidentally, it's starting to make it look a lot more like the real Devil's Tower. But that's really all there is to our thermal erosion, and that will wrap things up for this video. Thanks for watching.